Welcome to the installation guide for the Arnott new rear shock for the Jeep Grand Cherokee IV WK2 with Quadra-lift but without SRT suspension. This video will walk you through the steps to ensure a smooth and safe installation process for your vehicle's suspension system. Let's get started. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. This vehicle contains a closed air supply system. Replacement of components requires proper adherence to procedures set forth within OE servicing literature. Failure to comply with the OE prescribed procedures can result in component damage and/or failure. Start by disabling the air suspension and use the manufacturer's specifications to discharge the applicable air spring on the side of the shock you will be replacing. Now raise the vehicle and remove the applicable rear wheel and wheel well liner. Next, remove the two upper shock bolts. Remove the lower shock bolt. Now, remove the old shock from the vehicle. Tighten all nuts and bolts to manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Start the installation by installing the new Arnott shock. Next, reinstall the lower shock bolt and tighten. Also reinstall the two upper shock mount bolts, the wheel well liner, and the applicable rear wheel. Now inflate the air spring, lower the vehicle, and enable the air suspension. Check the air mass per manufacturer's specifications. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the rear shock for the Jeep Grand Cherokee IV WK2 with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.